Friends, I will tell you a very important website where you can get all the prices, performance and information of cryptocurrencies very easily. You have to search on Google. Coinmarketcap, click on the first link, and when you come to this website you will bookmark it by pressing the star button. These are all the cryptocurrencies which are ranked. Number 1 currency is Bitcoin because Bitcoin is the world's first cryptocurrency and it has the most money in the world. After that there is Ethereum. If you see the volume means how much buying and selling of Bitcoin has happened in the last 24 hours. This is its supply. Whenever you open Coinmarketcap you have to see this first, that what is the total market cap. This figure shows how much money people have invested in the crypto market globally, and 24-hour volume means how much buying and selling of cryptocurrency has happened globally. Dominance DDC 42.6%. This means that 42.6% of the total market is invested in Bitcoin. Similarly, Ethereum 17.8% of the total market is invested in Ethereum. You also have to see how much daily percentage has increased and decreased. For example, the global crypto market cap is at 1.04 trillion and it has decreased by 1.66% since the last day. As an example, I am showing you by clicking on Ethereum. In Ethereum, this is its ticker or symbol. This is its current price and how much it has gone low and how much it has gone high in the whole day. Here you will get its information in the overview that what is its price movement in the whole day in 7 days in 1 month. Similarly, you can also see for 1 year. If you click on market cap like this, then you will get a good chart that how its market cap has increased in 1 year and at what time it has fallen. Now if you go to markets, then you will get to know from where you can buy Ethereum. If you see in historical data, then you will get all its values on date, that at what price it was opened and how high it was and how low and at what price it was closed and how much buying and selling of its daily volume and how much was its market cap. And if you click on news, then you will get all the news here. Here you will come to the right, original, authentic website. If you see Explorer, then this is its blockchain Explorer, i.e. you can see all the transactions of blockchain. Friends, now I will tell you a simple way that how price is calculated. Price has a simple formula: market cap divided by circulating supply. I will calculate this price on calculator. Open the calculator. First of all, write market cap. Then you will get exactly the same price.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and take care.